Hey guys, I have a problem with my automatic valve controller for my underfloor heating. In this case I was not getting hot water as in the underfloor heating, so that's this pipe going to the house. Sometimes before I had an issue that it was stuck at very hot water, it got really hot inside, and the plumber showed me a trick what I can do myself to fix that. So I'll show you how to do that. So first I will show you that here we have the valve controller. It's controlling the temperature of the hot water in this pipe, which is then going into that pipe, and it will go into the house, into the manifold, which spreads the hot water while the underfloor heating. So here I can see the temperature of the outgoing water, and this is the returning water temperature over here. I think this gauge is broken because it shows a quite incorrect number, but anyhow, yeah, this is the controller. It's an Automix. This is a Finnish brand, but there are very similar other controllers, and I think this instruction applies to other use cases as well. So anyhow, it's measuring the hot water temperature here, and it's measuring the outdoor water temperature, and then we can set the desired water temperature and kind of calibrate that based on the house and what kind of temperature we need in the underfloor heating. So in my case, now it was, this is controlling this valve controller, which has a small electric motor on it, and it was stuck at around 0, so it was not mixing any hot water into it. And once before it was mixed at the high number, and it wasn't, or it was purely hot water. So what we can do is turn it here from automatic to manual. I did that first, then unscrew this screw here. I already loosened it up, so then we can just pull this out here. So it has a quite small electric motor in it, so if this valve is stuck, then it will not have the power to turn the valve. So I just turned it to 0 first, so that I know it at what position it was, and still pull this plastic out of the way here, and we have this small knob pointing to 0, and then the other end is 1, so it's a 45-degree adjustment range. And to get some more space, I can just lift this to the side. Okay, so the problem is that this valve can get stuck, and we can see it's from 0 to 1, so it's 45 degrees adjustment angle here. So what we can do is spray some CRC oil here, and then use a wrench to manually turn it. So the idea is to turn it multiple times in the whole adjustment range, just to get it moving again. And if you do this, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 times or 50 times, then it should get a bit more loose, and the engine on the valve controller has enough power to adjust it. And if I'll leave it to the fully open position, we can kind of immediately feel that the water is getting hot, and the temperature should start rising. This temperature gauge is quite low, but wait at the moment, and now it starts to be at 40, or showing 40, but I can feel that the water is hotter than that. So after this moves easily again, or we can leave it in the kind of closed position and then reassemble everything here. And yeah, this one was pointing to the 0 position, and now we can actually feel that we can move it by hand. It's still quite tight here towards the fully open position, but I don't think I need that quite at full range, but might not be a permanent fix, but might get you going again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.